So today I'm here to teach you how to use the Dynamic Zoom tool inside of the edit page of Davinci Resolve. I decided to create this because this is a great tool that can help you to create a very good zoom ins and zoom out without keyframes. So let's jump in the computer and let me show you how easy it is to use. So let's go. So here we are inside of the edit page of Davinci Resolve, and let me show you how easy it is to create this zoom without any keyframe. So as you can see here, the clip is just a couple walking, and in the end they will go together. So let's create a zoom in the last 2 seconds. Let me come here, 2 seconds. Now we have to cut this clip. To do that, press Ctrl or Command B. Now select the second clip. With the second clip selected, come to the inspector. If you don't see in the inspector, just click here where it says inspector and come here and enable the dynamic zoom. Immediately you will see the image zooms in, but don't be afraid, it's normal. So come here to this corner and select here dynamic zoom. And when you select, you see this red and this green square. So the green is from where the zoom starts and the red is where the zoom's gonna stop. So in this case, it's starting zoomed and it's zooming out, but I want opposite. So let's select here the red and let me put it inside, and let's select the green and put it. So just change the order. Now let's select the red again, and I want it here centered in the couple, and I want it like this, so it will zoom from this to this. So let's see, let's unselect this for a clean vision, and let's play it. And as you can see, it's zooming in, and it's very easy to create, but this is very linear. You can of course adjust it and add a more smooth zoom. You come here where it says dynamic zoom is. You have 4 options: the linear, the is in, is out, and is in and out. I normally use the is in and out if I have a clip before and a clip after. In this case, since I have only before, I will use the is in. And let's play it again. And it's done. So as you could see, it's very easy and very quick, and I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you learned something today. And if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I'll launch a video. Until there, bye!